complete, and I could not be happier with how it turned out. It took quite a bit of work, quite a few hands, but there's really nothing quite like the feeling of accomplishment you get when you get a project like this done, you see it come together, and you really like the result. So starting at the patio level, these are paved stone rumble stones in the color gray stone, and there are several different colors to choose from. But what I really like about these is that there's a subtle color variation. So we didn't even try to disperse colors. We just pulled them off the palette and installed them the way they came off the palette, and we got this beautiful look. They also come in a bunch of different sizes. So this is a 10.5 inch long by 7 inch wide size paver, and we went with just a simple running bond pattern just to minimize the amount of cuts we had to do to accomplish this patio. But they come in a square, they come in a standard brick size, so you can really go to town with different variations of style and pattern. And then moving up to the fire pit, this actually comes as a kit. 38 inches wide, 14 inches tall. It's super simple to put together. So what we did is we started by just stacking the bottom layer, and then when we stacked the second layer, we used a concrete adhesive between all of the pavers to keep it all together, so that if any kid bumps into it on accident, or if somebody uses it as a footstool, because we all like to do, it's not going to go anywhere. So it was very easy to put that together. And then moving up to the other stuff, this was really fun. It was fun just to deck out the area with some really comfy furniture, some really nice pots. And I went with black because black goes with everything, and you can utilize these pots in different areas with other different colors of pots, and they always go. I also wanted to minimize the amount of pattern that I had going because I really wanted the pavers to shine, and I knew that the furniture was going to have quite a bit of detail in it. So I think sticking with kind of a simple straight line in the container really worked. But I was able to plant up a bunch of beautiful shrubs and annuals to make this space feel really warm and inviting. So I hope that this project was inspiring to you guys. My most favorite thing of the whole project was actually this fire pit, because I think it's such a beautiful focal point and it was so easy to put together. Maybe you already have a patio, but you don't have a fire pit yet. I just feel like it could go anywhere. Even out in the grass, you could create a really fun seating area, make some really fun memories with your family, have some fires during the summertime. So you guys, we will put links down below for everything I use in this project if you're interested in learning a little bit more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.